Hello to everyone. Today I am going to engage the class from first year mathematics. Here I am going to start new chapter, that is statistics. Statistics. This is the 15th chapter in first year mathematics textbook. Okay. Now come to know the weightage of this chapter. How many marks will be erased from this one chapter? Here only 7 marks will erase from this chapter. 2 marks, 1 question will come, and 5 marks, 1 question will come. Totally 7 marks question will come in your examination of N1. Okay, let us come to the point of statistics. What is the meaning of, what is the definition of statistics? Okay, let us come to know the definition of statistics. Statistics. The statistics is the branch of mathematics the branch of mathematics deals with the collection, analysis, interpretation and presentation of masses of numerical data. It is a definition of statistics. If you want means one more, you take the definition of the statistics in simple way, that is the collection of quantitative data. These two are the definition of the simple definition of the statistics. Let us come to the what are the points of statistics. Under the chapter of statistics, which points we have to study here? The first one is here mean. The mean is called also average. Yes, the next point is range. The third point is mode. Fourth point is median. Median also called middle. Middle. Next, variance. Variance is denoted by sigma square. Last one, that is standard deviation. And it is denoted by sigma simple. Under the statistics chapter, we will study these points. Let us come to one by one. Mean. Come to the next point, that is mean. Mean is denoted by x bar, and also one more name for this, average. Okay. What is the definition of this one? How to find the mean or average of the given data or the given observations or given terms. Let us come to know the how to find the mean of the given observations. Okay. First of all, I will write the definition of the mean, then I will go to explain, then I will go to example here. Okay. Come to the definition of this one. By dividing the sum of all given observations by number of all given observations. The mean is denoted by x bar. How to read this one means x bar. Now it is in the word. Now I am going to write in the symbolically. That is, mean is denoted by x bar, and how to write symbolically, this means that is the sum of all given observations divided by number of observations. Okay. Let us come to the one example regarding the mean, how to find the mean or average of the given data, given observations. Let us come to one example here. Example number 1. Find the mean of the following data. It's given observations. I am giving here. Now I am going to find the 5, 10, 50, 20, 25. This is the first example for finding the mean of the given data or observations. Let us come to the solution of this question. Yes. Recall the knowledge regarding to the how to find the mean of the given data or how to find the mean of the given observations. Yes, we know that that is mean is denoted by x bar equal to this only again the sum of all given observations divided by number of given observations and observations. Okay, now I am going to rub this one. Now see the given data, otherwise given mean, that is x bar. According to this condition, according to this mean, now I am going to write here the given observations are 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 divided by number of given observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to divide to sum of that one by 5. Okay, now add all the values here. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5 become 10. 10 plus 5 become 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 5, 6, 7. 75 divided by 5. Now go with the 5 table. 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5 left 2 here. It is become 25. 5 5 is 25. The mean of the given observations is 15. This is x bar. The x bar is stand for mean of the given observation, mean of the given datas. I hope that you will understand very easily how to find the mean of the given observations. Mean of the given observations. Let us come to one more example. Sorry, one more example here. For the second example of this one, this is the second example for the how to find the mean of the given observations. Let us come to the second one, that is 4, 6, 10, 12, 20, 22. Yes, follow the same procedure. In solution we have to write, we know that is mean x bar equal to the sum of all given observations divided by number of given observations. Okay. Now according to this point, I am going to write here again, that is given observations we have to write 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 12 plus 20 plus 22. Count the numbers, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to divide the sum of those 1 by 6. Again add these one, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 2 become 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 14. Yes, carry 1 plus 2 3, 5, 6, 7. This become 74 divided by 6. Okay, divide 6 1 ja 6 1 ja, left 1, it is become 14, and 6 2 ja 12. Again left 2, take point here and put 0, it become 20. 6 3 ja 6 3 ja. So the mean of the second example is 12.33. 12.33. Okay, I hope that all of you understood very easily this one. Now let us come to the next point, range. Come to the next point, that is range. What is the mean of range? How to find the range? Let us come to know the value of meaning of range. The next point is in statistics, that is range. How to define this one? Range means the difference of the maximum value and the minimum value is called range. Is called range. If you want means in shortcut also you can write how to find the range, that is maximum value from the given data, maximum value minus minimum value. In this way also we can find. Okay, let us come to the one more example. For example, for this range, for example, first one, find the range of the following data. Okay, I will give at a time two examples, that is 3, 4, 1, 6, 10. The second one is 2, 5, 10, 7, 15, 20. Okay, these two are example for the range. Now come to the solution of this one. I am going to write for the solution 1. Check out here which one is the minimum value and which one is the maximum value here. This is the minimum value and here this is the maximum value here. Now remember the definition of range here now. I am going to write range. Definition is short form, that is maximum value minus minimum value. Okay, this is for the first one. What is the minimum value in this first given data, in the given first observations, in the given first terms? If the minimum value is 1 is there, so you write below of the maximum value here. First of all you have to write maximum value here. So the maximum value is 10 is there. Now go to write 10 here. Next what is there? Minus is there. What is the minimum value of the given observations here? That is 1 is there. Right. Now substitute here and simplify here. Now you will get that is range. How much range? 10 minus 1 become 9. The range of the given data of these one, the given observations of these one is 9. I hope that you will understand very easily this one. Very simple way is there, very simple method is there, very simple procedure is there. How to find the range of the given observations. Okay, I will leave this one for you only. Do yourself which one is the maximum and which one is the minimum value. We have to subtract the minimum value in maximum value. Then we will get the range. Got it? Okay. Come to the next point. Now I am going to wrap this one. Now come to the next point, that is mode. Now the next point in statistics is, that is mode. What is the mode? What is the meaning of mode? What is the definition of mode? Come to the point of mode here. Yes. How to define the mode? What is the meaning of mode? How to find the mode? Yes, come to the definition of mode. The number that appears the most is called mode. I will recall this one again. The mode is nothing but, in the given observations, the most appears one is called mode. In the given observations, in the given data, which one term or number or observation is repeated most times, maximum times, that is called mode. We will understand very easily when go through the example here. Come to the next example for this one, mode. For example, first one, find the mode of the following following data. Okay. Again, I will write two more examples here. One for me, one for you. You have to solve that is. The first one is 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 4. This is the first example. Second one I will write in front of that is only. The second one is 6, 7, 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 7. Okay, please read the definition of the board, then go to solve this one question. The number that appears the most is called. In the given observations, which one number repeatedly came now, repeatedly given here, that is the maximum times. Come left of the other observations. The most appears of this given observation is called the mode. Yes, how to find the mode? Come to the solution of the first one. I am going to write again here. That is given one 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 4. Let us come to count the 4. How many times this came here? This is 1 time. This is 2 time. This is 3 times. 4 is 3 times repeated here, appears here. Come to the 3 here. It is 1 time, it is second time. Sorry, here it is. And 2 is only once, and 1 is only once. 6 also once only, and 7 is also once here. By seeing directly here, which one observation, which one number is most appears here, in maximum times appears here. That is the mode. Here 4 is most appears one is there. That's why therefore the mode is equal to 4 1. Very simple way is there. Very simple method is there for finding the mode of the given observations. Follow the same procedure for the second one. You will get 100% mode. Okay. Come to the next point. It is for you only, do yourself. The next point is median. The next point is median. What is the definition of median? How to find the median? Come to the next point is median. Median is also called as middle. Also called as middle. What is the definition of the middle or median? The number which is in middle, or middle value is called median. The median is denoted by capital M. The capital M stands for median in this chapter. Okay. In median, 2 more rules are there for finding the median of the given observations, for finding the given data, for finding the given terms. As how to find the median? The point under the median only of this one. This point is under the median only. The median is obtained by first arranging the given observations in arranging the given observations, arranging the given observations, in ascending order or descending order, ascending order or descending order. After this one, we have to see here, we have two rules. We have here two rules. That is, first one is, if the given observations, are in odd, then the median is n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. Yes. Let us come to an example on this one. Example. Find the median for the following data. That is 4, 7, 3, 2, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The given observations are in odd form is there. Then how to find the median of the given observation of this one means by using this point, this rule, this method. So I am going to write above one. Yes. See here the point of that one. First of all the given observations we have to write in ascending or descending order. That is the main point here. That is the remembering point when we are going to find the median of the given observations in odd form or even form. First of all, we have to write in ascending order or descending order. Okay. Come to the solution of this one. First of all, I am going to write the given data are in ascending order. Ascending means in increasing order, lower to maximum value side. From the lower values to maximum value side. Ascending means from minimum to maximum side. Increasing order. That is the mean. Okay. Here I am going to write the given observations in ascending order. Okay. See here, which one is the minimum low value? Minimum value, that is 2 is there. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 12 will come. Okay, I am going to write the given observations in ascending order. That is 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here number of observations how many are there? 7 are there. Please recall this point. The median is this one. If the given observations are in odd form, these are in odd form are there, n equal to 7 are there. Then median is n plus 1 by tooth observations. Yes. Then therefore median, that is capital M, equal to, first of all you have to write the formula of this one, that is n plus 1 by tooth observation. Yes. I'm going to run this one. So substitute the value of n here. The n value is number of observations, number of terms, number of given data, n meaning. Yes, go to right, n means 7 is there, go to right, 7 plus 1 by 2 observations, simplify it, 7 plus 1 8, 8 by 2 is 4, I will write directly here 4. Fourth observation, come to the ascending order format. Which one in the fourth? It is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7. Each one in the fourth observation, that is the mode, that is the median. That is the median. That is the median. 7 is the median for the given data. This is the middle term. It is the very center term of these left terms, left observations. Median is nothing but middle term, middle value, middle observation, middle number, middle data. That is the meaning. See here, it is the middle. 7 is exactly in middle form, is there, middle place is there. Here left side is 3, right side is 3. So that's why fourth observation. This is the 7 is the fourth observation of the ascending order format. That's why the median of the given observation of this one is 7. Okay, come to the one more example. That is for you. Go to right. Go to right. One more example. I will change this one. Follow the same procedure. Follow the same procedure. Then go to right. We have to simplify this one by using the same procedure. Okay. 6, 7, 3, 5, 4, 8, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll give 2 more. 11, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The given observations are in odd form is there. Then how to find the median of the given observation means, that is n plus 1 by 2 observation. I give already by using this one formula we have to find the median of this given observations. Okay, let us come to the second point in median only. Now I am going to rub this one. Come to the next example. Come to the next point in median only. For the second point, we have 2 rules in the median for finding the median. If the given data are in even formats, then how to find the median of the given observations? Okay. If first of all I will write in words, then I will go with symbolically with formula. And one example. If the given observations are even, write properly this even, this is important. Even, yes, it is even, E-V-E-N, even. If the given observations are in even, then the median is the average of n by tooth observation I n plus 2 divided by tooth observations that is, this is in words is there. I will write in easy format, in formula format I will write now, then you will understand very easily. Okay, then I will write if median, if the given observations are in even formats, data are in even formats, we have to use this one formula, that is n by tooth observation. I will write in short form observation. We have to understood this is observation, plus average means mean. You have to find the mean of this one observations value. Yes. Next, n plus 2 by tooth observation. I will not complete observation. Average is 0 by 2. Next is observation. Yes. Okay, let us come to an example on this point. Then you will understand very easily how to find the median of the given observations. The given observations are in even formats. Then how to find the median? For example, first one. Otherwise, for example, find the median of the following data. I will write at a time 2 examples, that is 3, 5, 2, 6, 4, 9, 7, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enough. Even form is there. One more example I will write here only. That is 5, 50, 10, 20, 30, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. It is 6 means even only, sir. So I will go with this one example. I will solve this one example. The given observations are in even form. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this n equal to how much is there? 8 are there. The number of observations, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here n equal to 6 are there. If the number of your observations is even form, then you have to go with this one observation, this one formula for finding the median. Let us come to the example of first one. Yes, we have to write first of all the given observations in ascending order. We have to keep in your mind when you are going to find the median of the given observation. First of all, we have to write the given observations in ascending or descending order. No problem. The answer will be coming same only. But here I am going with only ascending order. Okay. Come to the solution of the first one here. I will not write in word. Just I will write the given observations in ascending order. Just I will write ascending order. Just I will write ascending order only. Yes, I will write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Or simply say ascending order. Okay. Which one is the lowest minimum value? 2 is there. 2 next, 3 next, 4 next, 5 next. After 5, 6 is there. 7, 9, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now come to the formula of this one, median. That is capital M equal to. You have to write this again. Otherwise, I will write directly here. There is no space, so that's why I will not write this one again here. Just I will simplify the value of n in place of n here. Yes, that is n means how much? Here 8 are there. Yes, go to right. 8 by tooth observation plus next 8 plus 2 by tooth observation Okay. Simplify again here. That is okay. I will rub above one. Simplify that one. Simplify fourth observation plus, that is fourth observation plus, that is fifth observation divided by observation. See here, come to the ascending order format. Which one in fourth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is there. Write 5 plus. What is the fifth observation? 6 is there. In fifth observation, 6 is there. By 2. Okay. Simplify again. It is 11 by 2th observation. Simplify again this one. Don't go to drop this one. It is last step is there. Next. Yes. What will come here? Simplify. You will get fifth point 5.5 observation. It is nearest to 6 is there, no? It is nearest to 6 is there. Yes. 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 5 is fifth observation. 5.5 observation is there means we have to write this one only. Okay. So median is, that is 6 or 6.5 will come. 5.5 means here it will come. 6.5 is the median or 6 is the median of the given observations. Okay. This is the method of finding the median. In next class I will discuss regarding to the mean deviation about the mean and mean deviation about the median. The mean deviation we can find in two formats. The first format is the mean deviation for the ungrouped data, and one more format is the mean deviation for the grouped data. I will discuss in the next class. Okay, take care.